Welcome again. As you can see, well, I've made a little bit of a progress. The exhaust is done. It's got the mounts in the back, so the bottom pipes don't slip out under pressure, so that's sorted. As you can see, I've played with the spaghetti a little bit. I've created a temporary loom for the testing. Everything plugged up, carbs, I'm hoping going to be okay. I do have 3 strip mixture screws. I think I might have mentioned that before. How they are set, I'm not quite sure. I'm just hoping for the best. I got the fresh petrol in, it's primed, oil's in, bit of a leaky radiator is in for a test as well, and let's see if that bloody thing is going to actually work. Nope, doesn't seem like it. Gonna check the plugs. Ooh. Yeah, so that was a lot later. I had the carbs off. Turns out one of those nasty passages from the pilots was blocked, so they are back together. Gonna try again, I guess. Fuel's on. Nope. Right, here we go again. All cards on the table. It is a brand new day. I took some time trying to work out what the heck is going on, and I think it was just fueling, because spark, electrics, everything was fine. So I have tried it with some easy start, and I've upped the mixture a little bit, because I've forgotten that it was only 2.5 turns out on 3 of them, because I had them out the 3 that aren't stripped. So now they are a little bit higher, so the fuel goes in. So just give that another go. Choke on, power on. No, doesn't like it. How about that? call that a success. There's an awful lot of clapping, tapping noise, but I know that this needs doing because you can see some moisture escaping through the emissions cover. Got one stripped bolt here, so that needs fixing to tighten it up. And this cylinder is blowing by quite a bit. So hopefully once one starts tighten, it's not gonna slap so much from this end, hopefully. If that doesn't cure it, that means I have a problem inside and I'll have to have a look. But yeah, as far as I'm concerned, this concludes the test. Quite happy, chuffed indeed. I know the coils, I'm using the AW82 thrice conversion, so I got rid of the ballast. So now once that's running, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get it up to a decent temperature, try to extract the screws that I have messed up, then work on the carbs. I have a much better radiator that requires mending a little bit, so I'm going to be working on that. Electric's going to go in a box and it's fabrication time. So yep, hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you can, spare a second, do tap the like button. It does help the magical YouTube algorithms. If you haven't subscribed yet, just do consider subscribing. There's going to be continuous videos about the whole build. Yeah, moving on. Let's see what I can come up with going forward. All the best.